Welcome back to Zooni Tunes. Today, we're drawing and coloring 3 amazing Transformers masks, starting with Bumblebee, then the Transformers logo, and finally the leader himself, Optimus Prime. Let's get started. Time to color the Transformers logo and cheerful Autobot. His big eyes and helmet details slowly take form, giving him a heroic look. Step by step, the mask looks more and more like the real Bumblebee. We carefully shape his strong face outline, adding smooth curves and sharp angles to make him look robotic and powerful. Now it's time to add colors to Bumblebee's mask. We fill in the bright yellow across his helmet to show his cheerful personality, then add black lines and gray metallic details. colors make him shine like the real hero we all know. With every stroke, Bumblebee looks alive and ready for adventure. Next, we'll draw the powerful Transformers logo. We start with bold, straight lines that slowly form into the famous robotic face design. Every detail makes the symbol strong and sharp, just like the Autobots it represents. The sketch is looking bold and futuristic, full of energy. Time to color the Transformers logo. We use deep blue and strong metallic shades to make the logo stand out. Each color brings strength and pride to the design, turning the drawing into a powerful symbol. Now the Transformers logo shines with heroic energy. Finally, let's draw Optimus Prime's mask, the leader of the Autobots. We sketch his tall helmet with careful lines, adding the antenna-like sides and bold face details. Every stroke makes him look brave, strong, and full of leadership. The sketch captures his fearless character perfectly. Now we'll bring Optimus Prime to life with colors. His mask shines with deep blue, bold red, and metallic gray that show his strength and courage. The colors blend together, making him look like the true leader of the Autobots. Optimus Prime is ready to protect and fight for peace. And that's it, Bumblebee, the Transformers logo, and Optimus Prime all drawn and colored. Each one looks powerful, bright, and full of heroic energy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zooni Tunes for more fun art adventures.